I run 5 AI systems that work 24/7 for literally $0 a month. No AWS. No Azure. No subscriptions. I'm talking zero cost, zero maintenance, and zero hassle. I used to pay over $500 a month for servers and tools, but those days are behind me now. I was tired of throwing money out the window, watching my profits shrink, and feeling like I was being held hostage by these big tech companies. I knew there had to be a better way. I started searching for alternatives, and that's when I stumbled upon the Oracle free tier. It's a game changer. I can run up to 4 cores, 24 gigabytes of RAM, and 2 GPUs, all for free. I know, it sounds too good to be true, but trust me, it's not. I've been using it for months now, and it's been a revelation. I can finally focus on growing my business, rather than just trying to stay afloat. So, exactly what do I run on this free Oracle tier? I've got a lead scraper that pulls in hundreds of new leads every day. I've got a CRM that automates all my follow-ups and communications. I've got an email system that sends out personalized emails to all my subscribers. I've got a video pipeline that edits and renders all my videos. And I've got a research agent that digs up the latest market trends and insights. It's like having my own personal team of assistants, working around the clock, without me having to pay a single penny. And the best part is, it's all automated. I can set it and forget it, knowing that my business is running smoothly, even when I'm not there. I used to spend hours every day manually scraping leads, sending emails, and editing videos. But now, I can focus on high-leverage activities, like closing deals and growing my business. I've increased my productivity by over 500%, and my profits have skyrocketed as a result. I'm not a tech expert, but I was able to set all this up in just a few days. And I'm confident that you can do the same. It's not rocket science, it's just a matter of knowing where to look and what to do. So, if you're tired of paying too much for servers and tools, and you want to take your business to the next level, then keep watching. I'm about to show you exactly how to set up your own AI systems, just like mine. First, you'll need to sign up for the Oracle free tier. It's easy, just head to their website and follow the instructions. Then, you'll need to install the necessary software and tools. Don't worry, it's all free and open source. Next, you'll need to configure your AI systems. This is the part where most people get stuck, but don't worry, I've got you covered. I'll walk you through every step of the way, so you can set up your own lead scraper, CRM, email system, video pipeline, and research agent. It's not as hard as you think, and the payoff is well worth it. I mean, who wouldn't want to save $500 a month and increase their productivity by 500%? It's a no-brainer. So, if you're ready to take your business to the next level and start saving thousands of dollars a year, then visit nationbuysHouses.com or call 313-800-9790. Don't let the big tech companies hold you hostage any longer. Take control of your business and start building the future you deserve. I'm not just talking about saving money, I'm talking about creating a real competitive advantage. With my AI systems, I can respond to leads in seconds, not hours. I can send out personalized emails, not generic spam. I can edit and render videos in minutes, not hours. And I can research the market in real time, not weeks. It's a total game changer, and I'm confident that it can do the same for you. So, what are you waiting for? Visit nationbuysHouses.com or call 313-800-9790 and start building your own AI systems today. Don't let this opportunity slip away. You owe it to yourself and your business to take advantage of this free resource. I'm living proof that it works, and I'm confident that you can achieve the same results. So, don't wait any longer, take the first step towards building your own AI systems and start saving thousands of dollars a year. Visit nationbuysHouses.com or call 313-800-9790 and let's get started today.